guys, this is Miss Davis.
And this is Horazo.
And today we are going to learn about the basics of transformations. Now this is your first video with us through Canvas, so have out some notebook paper, press pause, take notes. It will help you when it comes time for independent work.
And you're going to need to refer back to this video because the information is going to be very helpful when you have to do your own work.
In fact, after the video is made down below, we'll put the notes up with the annotations so you can refer to that as well.
Yes.
All right, sounds good. So, geometric transformations. There are 4 we're going to do total. 3 of them are called rigid, and then the last one is not a rigid transformation. And that's all going to come, but we're going to go over 4 things. We've got translations, reflections, rotations, and dilations. This is the basic overview. On the next few lessons, we'll be digging deeper into each one of them. So, to transform a shape or figure means to
change it. Oh no.
Got to go to pen, sorry.
Yay.
To change.
In general, we can change the size, the location, and direction that a figure is facing.
The shape or figure before the transformation is called the pre-image. So there's a root you've probably learned before, and that is the original. We're going to label it with an A or whatever corresponding letter.
The shape or figure after the transformation is called the image or new figure. We would like to label it a prime. So the little apostrophe after the letter in math class is referred to as prime.
All right, so you may want to pause, write some stuff down right there. Let's look at some visuals. The first one that we are looking at is a translation. Miss Horazo, how would you say that in easy words?
I think that means to slide.
To slide. Now, from looking at this, I can tell that this is the pre-image and that this is the image. The way I know, that prime mark on the A. So it has gone from this image to this image, and it slid.
We slid down and over, or over and down.
However you would like to say it. All right, Miss Horazo, what's the next one?
The next one is reflection. Mrs. Davis, what do you think of when you think of a reflection?
Flip.
I think of looking at my beautiful self in the mirror.
Oh, that's a good observation. So we're going from the one without the apostrophe, which is our pre-image, to the one with the apostrophe, which is our B prime. So this is B, this is B prime. Old, new. All right, the next one we have is rotation. How can we describe rotation?
It looks to me like they have turned around. So to turn.
So we're going from here to here. Now, later when we break down rotation in more detail, we're going to learn about counterclockwise, clockwise, 90 degrees, 270 degrees, all that good stuff.
And the axis.
And the axis,
origin.
yes. Last one, dilation.
Alright, so when I look at D versus D prime, it looks to me like this time it has gotten smaller, but you could also make it bigger. So reduce or enlarge.
Oh, did I do the wrong one?
You did. This time we reduced.
I'm sorry, this is reduced. So we went from here to here. Okay, we got smaller, we reduced. I do want to mention, these 3 do not change the size. They just change the orientation or the location. Dilation we will do last, and it does change the size. So these are called rigid transformations. All right, write this down. We'll be back with another video in just a second.